Welcome everybody. Today I'm working on 2018 Nissan Murano. This is an all-wheel drive SL, and I got to take care of the rear pads only today. It's very easy work, shouldn't take you too long. We gotta take the rear wheel off. Then this caliper has two bolts. Bottom one you don't need to open because it will hit here. You won't be able to take the caliper off. We're going to open the top bolt. It's 14 millimeter. Pull this out. Perfect. At this point, pull the caliper forward towards you and then pull it this way. Take the pads out. In this case, we definitely do need pads. If your brake pads came with the new hardware, take the hardware out and get new hardware put back in. Hardware just clips back on there. So you get a new hardware lined up with these brake pad guides. There. Push it on. Spin the rotor, make sure it doesn't touch. Let's install the next one. Now, if your brake pads did come with the hardware, if they didn't, you just have to clean your old one and plug it back in. When you get your new pads, make sure the safety clip is on the right direction and the right position. This is going to go towards the back of the brake pad, the back side right here. That. So you guide the pad in and push it on. That's it. One thing you have to do almost every time is push the piston back into the caliper to reset it in place so you can install the new pads. Tighten this bolt back in. You can torque it down, and this completes the brake pad install on the 2018 Nissan Murano. If you need to replace rotors, and then you would need to remove both of these bolts, one there, slide the caliper out. There is no locking clip or bolt holding the rotor down. You should be able to take this out. From what I can tell, e-brake is built into the drum of this rotor. Yep. So there's an e-brake here, there's a brake shoes here. So you might have to check, make sure they're in good working condition. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.